Hello, this is our video to introduce the segment addition postulate for geometry. And basically what the segment addition postulate is saying is that if you have two smaller line segments and you put them together and it makes a larger one, and you know the lengths of the two smaller one, you can just add them together to get the larger one. Or as I like to say, small piece plus small piece equals the larger piece. So for instance, in this problem, it says B is between A and C. So if I'm just going to draw, because sketching is really a good thing to get into the habit of doing for geometry. So I've got my little line segment here, but I'm going to put a spot at the beginning of it because we have a endpoints at the beginning and at the end. And it says B is between A and C. Okay, so I know that A is at one end and C is at the other end, and B is somewhere between them. Okay, and it does tell me that AB is 10 and BC is 15. So if I were to try to put B over here, then that would mean the distance from A to B is 10 and B to C is 15, and that doesn't look right because the B to C piece is bigger. So I'm going to locate, if this is about halfway, I'm going to locate AB just a little bit closer, the B just a little bit closer to the A. So I'm going to say the B is right here. Okay, and then I'm going to sort of mark it so that I've got that distance is my 10 from A to B. Whoops. And then my distance from B to C is 15. So then if you're trying to figure out what is your whole entire distance, that would be the bottom piece from A to C. So if I want to figure out that whole entire piece, then what I need to do is I need to add the two smaller pieces. So I add from A to B and from B to C, that gives me 25. So then the whole thing from A to C is equal to 25. So once again, it's just you take the small part and you add the other small part, and all together that makes the total our large part. So small plus small equals total, or the larger one. I like to say the total, but some people say the big one or the large one, and that's all you're really doing. And that is our segment addition postulate.